good afternoon. Welcome to our class, and this is Teacher Saeed, and we are now in Unit 7, Lesson 1. Are you ready? So we have, let's count first, from 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we have the AI, the long A. A-I together, A-I together, A-I together, A. Alright, so this is how to write it. A-1, I-2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first word is snail. Snail, snail, snail. S-N-S-N, sna, sna, sna. A-I together, A. La, 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 snail, snail. T-R-T-R, tra, tra, tra. A-I together, A. N-N-N, na, na, na. Train, train, train. Ta-ta-ta, A-I together, A. La, la, la. Tail, 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 tail. Ra, 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 A-I together, A. Na, na, na. Rain, rain, rain. Pa, 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 A-I together, A. N-N-N, na, na, na. Ta-ta-ta, ant, ain't, pa-ain't, pa-ain't, paint. Mermaid, mermaid. Ma-ma-ma, A-I together, A. Da-da-da, ma-aid, ma-aid, maid. Mermaid. E-R-er, E-R-er. Ma-er, ma-er, mer. Ma-aid, ma-aid, maid. Mermaid. Nail, na-na-na. A-I together, A. La-la-la, nail, 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 nail. Let's review. Train, train. Mermaid, mermaid. Paint, paint. Nail, nail. Rain, rain. Snail, snail. Tail, tail. Question. What is this? This is a snail. What is this? This is a train. What is this? This is a ring. What is this? This is a mermaid. What is this? This is a paint. What is this? This is a tail. What is this? This is a nail. Ready? Pa-aid, pa-aid, paint, paint. Rail, 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 rail. Mail, 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 mail. Brain, 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 brain. Snail, 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 snail. Words. He, you, you. The, I, is. Let's read some short words. He is in pain. He is in pain. He is in pain. He paid the mailman. He paid the mailman. He paid the mailman. That's all for today. Goodbye and see you again.